How to add contact on Botim app. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna look for a method on how we can add contact on Botim app without step by step. So in order to do that, you need to watch this video till the end. So make sure to watch it till the end. After that, I want you to make sure to hit the like, share, and subscribe option because that is going to be very meaningful to me. So let's get started without any further ado. So the first thing you need to do is, of course, download the Botim app onto your device. After downloading it, open it and make sure you are logged in. After that, this kind of interface appears on your screen. So in order to add a new contact, you will be seeing a bunch of options here like calls, chats, explore, contacts, me on the below. So here on the home page, you can see it says to start calling contacts who have Botim, tap on the plus icon at the top of the screen and then select a new call. Just follow the process in order to do that. So in order to create a new contact, what you need to do is just go to contacts. After going to contacts, you see options like group chat, official account, for file assistance at the very top. And in order to add the contact, just tap on the plus icon here and you will be able to see two options in order to add new contacts. One of them is scanning QR code. Just use to scan the QR code of another person and you will be able to stay in contact with that person using the Botim app. Another method is tap on new contact. After that, just enter your name. After that, just enter their name, their phone number, their email, and tap on save. You may put a picture if you want as well, and tap on save. After that, that person will be added on your Botim app and you will be able to have conversation and contact each other on Botim app. So in this way, you can add someone on Botim app by following those steps. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video.